Good morning, guys. It's Mercy. Another car vlog. I am turn this radio down. I always forget when I get in the car to turn the radio down, and when I start to edit the footage, the music is too loud, and I have to trash it. And you know, sometimes it's hard to recapture the initial moment, so I have to remember, turn the radio down when you get in the car. You're doing these car vlogs, turn that radio down. Okay, so hold on one second, I need to get me some lotion. So I have my day plan. I am going to gotta lotion up my feet. I have a small little outing that I'm going to do today. Right now it is 8:54 in the morning, and I'm going to try to get it done so I can get back home by 2 o'clock maybe. I'm being realistic about that, because I could say in a couple of hours, I know by the time I run from one store to the other, 3 hours has passed, and that doesn't work out. So hopefully I can get back home by 3, and that's when the rain is supposed to start, by 3 o'clock. So I like to be nice and snuggled in by the time it's, you know, the bad weather comes in. So I just got a small list today. You know, necessities for the house, like dish soap and body wash, water, and stuff like that. But then I'm going to check on my mom, because I have not been down to check on her in a little bit. I call her every day, but it's nothing like laying your eyes on your family. And she lived 45 minutes from me, so I'm going to take the time out to do that this morning. Going to check on mom, maybe pick up some breakfast and something, and she and I have a little morning time breakfast this morning. But let me stop running off at the mouth here so I can get down the road and my day can go smoothly. Okay? But first off, I'm gonna have to stop and get me some coffee, because I have a little fog going on here, and I know I need some coffee to kind of wake everything up. All right, so I will see you guys down the road. Good morning. Hello. Guys, I got one case of six bottles of water, 6 gallons. So I got 6 gallons of water and my dish detergent. That is it. I stuck with the hold on, we're talking in the car. Guys, guess what? I stuck with the list, and I can mark 2 things off my list. And I am so very proud of me. It's gonna be a great day. Let's keep moving. Okay, so while we still here at Sam's, we're gonna stop and get her some gas. We're gonna pop over and get her some gas here. Okay. All clear. Guys, I truly forgot it was Super Bowl weekend, and I am glad I got out early this morning so I can get my necessities for my house so I can get back home. I don't want to be in it. I don't. Alright guys, we're finna pop some music on, and I'm finna get on down this road, and I'm gonna let you do a ride along with me. Okay, let's do it. Okay guys, I'm just leaving Walmart. Walmart was a success. I had to get me some apple cider vinegar. I found my soap. Had to get me some ranch. And the one thing that was not on my list to get, but I'm a total sucker because I bake so many cakes. And look at that. This is like a butt pan, and it's a spring form pan, but you got little butts so you can make a pound cake. It got me. It does not take much to make me happy, hence the name Simply Mercy Be. Something simple as a cake pan makes me happy. Alright guys, it is now 10:30. There's something on my head. It is now 10:30, and I need to get down to my mom's. So I am about to, I got to stop and get my coffee. I still have not gotten my coffee. So I'm going to stop and get me some coffee. And I am about to take my 45-minute ride. And I'm going to enjoy the scenes. And I'm going to let you guys enjoy a little bit as I travel. All right. See you on the next one. Hey guys, so I made it to my mother's city and I am hungry because I didn't eat any breakfast. So I made a pit stop to the local, can you see that? Pizza Hut. I love a good old personal pan pizza. Nothing like them. So I know my mom, she's cooking her some lunch, but I want me some greasy food. So that sounds bad, doesn't it? I'm sorry, but some days it's like that and you have to treat yourself. So today is treat day, and there's only 4 little slices, just 4. Okay. But yeah, I made it to my mom's city, so I'm just sitting here. I ordered my pizza, and it's going to be about 15 minutes. So I'm just going to sit here and check out some things on YouTube while I wait. I'll see you guys a little bit. I think it's older than that. This is my mother's dinner, her lunch. She has some turkey wings. Yum. Look at those turkey wings. I'm gonna be serving that with some white rice, as well as some sweet peas that was cooked on yesterday. I shall eat lunch with my mother.
Y'all bought a shovel. A shovel, honey?
Yes, Mom. Okay guys, like I said, you never know how your day is gonna go. I went and spent the day with Mom, and now it is 5:14 in the PM. Me thinking I'm gonna get back home by 3. No, but it's okay. I enjoyed my mom, and we had us a little lunch together. And I just went to take her to pick up some dinner for this evening. She's all back in the house, and I am ready to take my 45-minute ride back to the house. All right, guys, and I'm going to spin you guys around, and I hope you enjoy the view. See you later.
Let's see the sun and have some fun. I'm so tired of living life in gray, babe, and you deserve to see the world. Tell me, baby, where would you like to go? Maybe we'll drive from coast to coast, only to where we love the most. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. You know where we're going tonight, going tonight. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. I don't even care about the price, care about the price, yeah. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you. Come and take a seat next to me, babe. Let this pretty view take your breath away. Baby, we deserve a break from our old ways. Anywhere's home when you're with me. Come and take a seat next to me, babe. Let this pretty view take your breath away. Baby, we deserve a break from our old ways. Cause I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. You know where we're going tonight, going tonight. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. I don't even care about the price, care about the price, yeah. Paradise, paradise.